Did you know your brain is buzzing with activity? Even when you're asleep, billions of tiny cells called neurons are hard at work. These neurons are the building blocks of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. They allow us to experience the world around us. But how do these minuscule cells communicate with each other? The answer lies in a fascinating process called neural communication. It's a complex dance of electrical and chemical signals that allows our brains to process information at lightning speed. Join me as we delve into the intricate world of neurons and uncover the secrets of how they communicate. Understanding how neurons communicate is crucial to understanding the human experience. It's the key to unlocking the mysteries of consciousness, memory, and perception. Let's embark on this journey together and explore the wonders of the brain. Imagine a bustling city with messages constantly being relayed. That's your brain. Each neuron has a special task to transmit information. They do this using electrical signals called action potentials. Think of action potentials as tiny electrical pulses that travel down the length of a neuron. These pulses start at one end of the neuron and travel down a long, thin fiber called the axon. It's like an electrical cable carrying a message. The speed of these pulses is incredible, allowing for near instantaneous communication across the brain. But how do these action potentials get from one neuron to another? That's where synapses come into play. Neurons don't actually touch each other. Instead, they're separated by tiny gaps called synapses. These synapses are crucial for communication between neurons. Think of a synapse as a bridge between two islands. The action potential can't jump across the water on its own. It needs a boat. This is where neurotransmitters come in. Neurotransmitters are like chemical messengers that carry the signal across the synapse. When an action potential reaches the end of a neuron, it triggers the release of these neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters then travel across the synapse and bind to receptors on the next neuron. This binding action triggers a new action potential in the receiving neuron, continuing the transmission of the signal. Section 4. The chemical messengers. How neurotransmitters work. Neurotransmitters are the brain's couriers, carrying messages from one neuron to the next. There are many different types of neurotransmitters, each with its own unique message. Some neurotransmitters are excitatory, meaning they make the receiving neuron more likely to fire an action potential. Others are inhibitory, making the receiving neuron less likely to fire. This balance of excitatory and inhibitory signals is essential for proper brain function. It's like a delicate dance between go and stop signals, ensuring that the right messages get through at the right time. For example, dopamine is a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, while serotonin plays a role in mood regulation. The intricate interplay of these chemical messengers shapes our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Section 5. A symphony of signals. Understanding neural communication. Neural communication is a complex and elegant process. It involves the coordinated action of electrical and chemical signals, working together to transmit information throughout the brain. This intricate dance of action potentials, synapses, and neurotransmitters allows us to perceive the world, learn new things, and experience emotions. The brain is constantly buzzing with activity, with billions of neurons firing action potentials and releasing neurotransmitters every second. This intricate network of communication is what allows us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. It's a remarkable feat of biological engineering, and understanding how it works is key to unlocking the mysteries of the human mind. From the simplest reflexes to the most complex thoughts, it all boils down to this intricate communication between neurons. Section 6. The brain's language, a final word. We've journeyed into the depths of the brain and uncovered the secrets of neuron communication. We've seen how action potentials race down axons, how neurotransmitters bridge the gap at synapses, and how this intricate dance of signals allows us to experience the world around us. The study of neural communication is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field. The more we learn about how our brains work, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. It's a humbling and inspiring reminder of the incredible complexity and beauty of the human brain. What did you find most fascinating about neuron communication? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the brain, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of science and nature.